How to remove background from photo on iPhone, new update. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can remove the background from any photo on your iPhone in the new iOS 16 update. So let's get into it. Now it's very simple and easy. Just go into your gallery, pick any picture, it could be of a person or of an animal, and simply click on the face of the item. So do a long press and then you can drag this and you can drop this on another photo as well. So you can go on ahead and drop this on another photo like this, so you can just put it over there if you want. And you can also do things like, even if the image is unclear, if you have a object like a person, you can still do a long press and drop this on another photo. Not only can you, but you can also share this on your messenger app, or you can also share this in messages or another application. So if you simply do a long press, you can click on copy and then you can just select any photo of your choice and then paste it over there. Or you can do a long press on the object or on the person and just click on share, and you have multiple different ways that you can share. So you can save the individual person as an image. You can also airdrop it, message it, mail it, or use any of your other messaging or social media applications and share that over there as well. Plus, if you just select the object like this and drag it to the side, just hold it with your finger and you leave the Photos application, you can open up any other application. I just opened up the Messenger application and I can send this as a message as well. So I can go on ahead and send it as a text message. I will just show you guys once more how to do that. So just select the object, close the application, open the application that you want to send, and just place it in the text box section and it will appear over here. So in this way you can remove the background from any image on your iPhone. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.